Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Florence and today we are going to make pizza sauce with our homegrown San Marzano tomatoes. If you don't know what San Marzano tomatoes are, they are a red, meaty, sweet tomato. They are absolutely delicious. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I washed these tomatoes already and I'm just gonna cut them. And I'm just gonna cut the top part off and any little brown marks or bruises on there. So make sure you save your scraps. I'm just gonna put that in there for your compost bin, if you have a compost. It's a basic sauce. It only requires the tomatoes, fresh garlic, and some oregano, some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper. Very simple. And this is a pizza sauce. It's not gravy for your pasta, although you can use this sauce to add to your dishes like chicken or seafood. Or bruschetta. Yeah, we eat a lot of that. A lot of times I'll make a large quantity of sauce or gravy and I'll just call it recycling and make a whole new dinner dish out of it. Yeah, you could actually put these in a freezer bag, which is pretty good because you can squeeze out all the air and doesn't take up much room in your freezer. So I'm not going to bore you with cutting it. We'll be back in a bit. All right, so we're back. So if you can see here, I cut all the tomatoes. Look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful. They're red. They're just beautiful. What I did with the scraps, I put them in my bowl and we're gonna just carry them out to the compost bin and just dump it. So now we're gonna go ahead and start with the garlic. So I buy fresh peeled garlic. I use a lot of it while I cook, but it's just easy for me. I don't wanna sit there and peel the garlic. This is just as good. All right, so what I do is I grab a clove of garlic and I smash it because I want all the juices. I don't like slicing, I don't like cutting. I smash it with the knife. And all that flavor's there. We go through tons of garlic. We love garlic. Okay, I give it like a coarse chop. On the tomatoes it goes. Garlic is so good for you, so flavorful. You know, cooking is like an art. There's no wrong way, there's no right way. So, you know, when you do a recipe and you get people that say, oh, no, that's not the way you do it. Well, yeah, that's the way you do it. That's the way you want to do it. So, you know, just have fun with it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and salt this up. Don't be shy with the salt. I use kosher coarse salt. Do a little black pepper. I do some Italian seasoning blend. You know, if you like more flavor, go ahead. Don't be shy. If you like a little less, that's fine too. And we're going to throw in some oregano. This is what makes it pizza sauce, the oregano. I personally don't put oregano in my gravy. I only put fresh basil and fresh parsley, some garlic, keep it simple, and that's it. So now we're going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on top. go. And we're going to give it a little mix. Okay, so I got my little handy dandy little rubber spatula. It's a leopard. I love leopard. Got this a few years ago in South Philly on 9th Street called Fonte's. No, they are not sponsoring this channel, but I like to throw that out there. I was born and raised in South Philly. Love it. Things have changed a little bit down there, but had a great childhood. All right, so we gave that a little mix. So our oven reached 375, and I just wanted to let you know I'm using a Corningware oven safe dish. You can use a pie plate, you can use even a tin foil pan. You don't have to be fancy about it. So I'm going to place this in here and make it cook for about 30 minutes. I'll be back. Hi guys, 30 minutes is up. Now it's time to take it out of the oven. Be extremely careful. If you can just smell the aroma of the fresh San Marzano tomatoes and the garlic roasting, it's unbelievable. There's nothing like homemade pizza sauce. All right, so what I like to do is while it's still hot and soft, the tomatoes, I get my little it's to break up like ground meat for when you're making tacos or something. So I just go around the bowl gently and just break up the tomatoes. They're so nice and soft. Look at the juices. The garlic's little tan in there, that cooked down. All right, so what I do is I kind of let this sit for a while. After it cools off, I'll chop up some fresh basil that we have grown wild in our garden. We have tons of it. So I'll just cut it up and sprinkle it on the top. And what you could also do, you could actually make soup out of this. You could pour this in a blender or fruit processor, or even if you have like the NutriBullet, throw it in there, blend it up. You could add some fresh cream in there. And there you have it. You have tomato soup. All right, so there you have it. We'll be back. All right guys, so this is the end of the video, and I just wanted to let you know what I do. So I make customized t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, hats. You can reach me if you like to look at my items on Instagram. I'm a big Eagles fan, Philadelphia Eagles, go Eagles. And this is the newest one I made. This is pretty cool. I sold a lot of these. Peace, love, and Eagles. So, hope you enjoy. So there you have it, fresh homemade pizza sauce. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and watch for us for another video.